Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to clear your chat history on the Signal application on your iPhones in 2021. Very easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is head over to the Signal application and open that up. Once you're on the Signal application, you just want to go to your profile photo in the top left corner and click on that. And then you want to go to where it says privacy. You can then scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will then see an option for clear chat history. So all you have to do is click on clear chat history and then delete everything, and that will then clear all your chats that you have. So if I were to go back, it shows no chats have been started. Get started by messaging a friend. So it cleared the 2 chats that I had there at the start of the video. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, show you guys how to clear chat history in 2021 on Signal. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.